Hi guys, and welcome to this section practice activity. It's mainly a challenge and I want you to do this practice activity. Spend some time doing them. It has a very big reason. It's developing your skills, becoming more confident in using layers and keyframes and moving things around, drawing and making some animation. That is very, very important. Now, to challenge you, I created several animations here, which are not fantastic really. They are very simple and the color scheme is just normal. So I want you to take them and make them much better and create some splendid animations. Upload them to YouTube and put the links in the Q&A section of this course so we can all watch them, and I know you're working very hard. The first animation I have done for you here is this very simple one where you build a camera. It's quite cute, it's quite simple. Building like this is very important. You see it in very many videos and sometimes it goes speedier than this, but it gives a lot of dynamism to your animation, to the complete scene that you are trying to create. Now notice in this scene here, or in this camera, I have used the shadow. You remember when you right click on a layer and go to layer styles and you have drop shadow? I also use bevel and emboss for all the layers. If you don't like them, remove them. No big deal. Just make something that is up to your taste. You don't like the colors, change them. You don't like the animation, change it. You don't like the whole camera, fine. Go create a great camera that you find, much more sophisticated. Add more buttons, I don't know what, shading. It is very important that you get the practice. Now, this is your first example here about the camera. You can also pre-compose the camera and come up with a new animation where you animate the camera pre-comp, and that's very interesting. It's all flipping around, it's coming in, could be a good advertisement. Now also, if you don't like the camera, no problem, you can animate a business card. Here you are. This is a very simple or simplistic even business card, but you can do much better. Notice how these ones are coming. Here I used only what you have learned and you can see it. But also I made a mess with the layers. Look at the layers, they are not well done. You need to adjust them maybe, or to create your own business card opening. And also you can create, for example, an animated truck. So you put the truck together and it's quite cool. Of course, my truck here is very simple, just circles and so on. But what is important is to assemble the truck, use the scale, position, opacity, and rotation here. I already cropped the composition to the size of the truck because I wanted to put it on the road. And if you can look at it, it pushes in and it pushes the business card. Not magical, very simple things. It is important that you learn about layers manipulation and the keyframes manipulation. It is important that you do this challenge. I am insisting a lot. So you can download this project in the next lecture and work on it. Then create your own animations and show us. I will be very interested to see how you are progressing in the course. Thanks very much for listening, and I will see you in the next section.